Okay, so what have we been up to? I've moved the digital readout ruler to the back of the table rather than the front. It loses me about 3mm of depth this way, but I can change that when I've remachined this. What it does do is it brings my stops back into play. I do need to make a stop for them to stop against, but that will be that's ongoing. I have made a 25.4mm cutter holder, which is quite nice. I've made a little fly cutter as well. I made a lid for the top to stop chips going into the bearings. That was probably a decent idea. So yeah, some stuff ongoing, and what we're going to make today is a couple of little tiny V blocks. We're going to make them from the ends of these chunks of here. Make them from the ends of this chunk of cast iron. So a couple of little cast iron V blocks is what we're going to make. A pair. And so we get on with that. Time to bring them down to the same height. So a bit of milling. So, 2 pieces of cast iron taken down to the same thickness, at least in one dimension. And now I'm going to skim off the other dimension, another dimension, so that I can hold them properly parallel. So we're going to fly cut this, just the tiniest skim. Right, battery died on the camera, so shooting this with a mobile phone. I've got no way of propping it up to shoot any more machining. But basically we have the V-blocks are made. I want a couple of little horizontal clamping slots put into them, so I'm going to do that. So that's that done. Here we go, a couple of little V-blocks. Need these because I've got to make some round bits that need to stay upright in the vise. So, yep. And I've got some stuff that needs clamping down onto the bed and stuff like that. So yeah, that's what we're at. V-blocks. That was today's little job.